Hello, today I will show you how to use Bunq credit card. So if you're new to Bunq and wondering how their credit card actually works, you're not alone. Bunq card looks like credit cards, but they work little differently and give you much more control through the app. And in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up, use and manage Bunq card the right way. So step 1 is getting your Bunq card. After creating your Bunq account, go to card section. You can order a physical card or start using a virtual card instantly for online payments. Step 2 is activating the card. Open Bunq app, tap on your card, set your PIN and complete activation before making any payment. Now, step 3 is adding money to use the card. So Bunq cards are linked to your Bunq bank balance, not credit limit. Top up your account via a bank transfer, salary or another card. You can only spend what's available in your balance. Now, step 4 is paying online and in stores. So you can use card for online shopping, subscriptions or in-store payments. You can pay using chip and PIN, contactless, Apple Pay or Google Pay. All transactions appear instantly in the app. Now, step 5 is controlling and securing the card. From the app, you can freeze or unfreeze the card anytime. You can also enable or disable online, ATM or international payments with one tap. Now, another way is you can use it abroad. So Bunq cards work worldwide where MasterCard is accepted. Currency conversion happens automatically at competitive rates. Important things to know, Bunq cards work like debit cards, not traditional credit cards. No borrowing or credit scores are involved and features depend on your Bunq subscription plan. Final tip, if you want full control, instant tracking and easy international spending, Bunq cards are a solid option. Just keep enough balance in your account before spending. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.